Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a really simple but impressive trick for making your Power BI report stand out. We're going to customize a clustered bar chart by giving it smooth, rounded corners, which adds a modern and professional touch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a more polished look for your visuals in Power BI. And trust me, these small design tweaks can make a huge difference in how your data story is received. Alright, let's dive right in and get started. First off, go ahead and open up Power BI on your computer. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, it's a very user-friendly tool for data visualization. Once you've launched Power BI, you'll either want to use an existing report with a clustered bar chart, or you can create a quick sample one using dummy data if you just want to practice. For this tutorial, I've got a sample clustered bar chart pulled up so we can get right to the good part. Now, with your chart ready, let's select it by clicking anywhere inside the chart area. You'll notice a little frame appear around the chart, which means you've got it selected, and now all the customization options are at your fingertips. Next, take a look over on the right side of the screen for the Format Your Visual pane. If it's not already open, it's the little paint roller icon. Go ahead and click that. This section is where all the styling magic happens in Power BI. You might notice there are a lot of toggles and options here, and that can sometimes look a bit overwhelming. But for our purpose today, we're going to focus on just a couple of settings. To quickly find what we're looking for, simply type the word corner into the search box at the top of the Format pane. This is one of my favorite time-saving features, as it jumps you straight to the settings without scrolling through everything. Typing corner will highlight the relevant option for rounded corners. Before we can set those corners, though, we need to make sure the border around the chart is enabled. So look for the border option that comes up in the search. This might just be a small toggle switch. Go ahead and turn that border on. Without the border, the rounded corner setting won't be visible, so this is a crucial little step that's easy to miss, especially if you're customizing visuals for the first time. Now for the real fun. There's an option called Rounded Corners. You'll see a slider or a box where you can set the value. Power BI allows you to adjust this up to a maximum of 30 pixels. Let's crank it all the way up to 30px. You'll see the sharp right angles of your chart instantly soften into smooth, rounded corners, and it really gives your chart a fresh, modern look. Rounded corners are a subtle tweak, but they can help make your dashboard feel both friendlier and more contemporary. It's a bit like swapping out an old, boxy monitor for a sleek, new curved display. And believe it or not, that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've transformed a standard clustered bar chart into something that looks custom designed. This might seem like a small detail, but details like this can genuinely set your reports apart, especially if you're sharing them with a wider audience or presenting to stakeholders. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find the settings your first time around. As you build more reports, these steps will become second nature. Alright, if you found this quick tip helpful and want to see more ways to level up your Power BI reports, go ahead and give this video a like. Got any questions or suggestions for future tutorials? Please drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly guides just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.